Alan returns 1 year later, and you can see the growth that has occurred in this time interval. We're going to present the case of Alan here, who is 37 years old and had a Norwood 3 pattern, as you can see in the photographs. These are the photographs prior to the transplant, and you can see that he had a Norwood 3 pattern with recession bilaterally of the temporal areas, and he had a 2000 graft FUE procedure performed 1 year ago. And I'm going to show you the hair growth here. You can see that it is very natural. The hairline is completely natural and has filled in extremely well. You can see the front here, it's a natural and a very good result. And if you turn to the other side, once again, you see that the hairline is extremely natural and very good regrowth. Alan, what do you think of the results?
Well, we're very happy with the results.
Okay, and you were telling me earlier that the hair began to grow back at about month 8 for you?
About month 8, it started to look thick and full.
Has it surpassed your expectations when you first came here?
Absolutely.
For those who are considering to do a hair transplant sitting on the edge, on the fence, what would you say to them?
Don't delay any longer. Get it done quick and enjoy it faster.
And this was done at the Sure Hair facility?
Correct. Sure Hair.
Have your friends commented on it?
Yeah, everyone doesn't even remember me balding before. They look so natural.
And you've been able to do all the activities like going swimming, going out?
Absolutely. Yeah.
And you're very active.
Very
I
active.
know you travel a lot, and
Yeah.
you feel this has been good for you.
It's been fantastic for me.
I think your wife has been very happy.
She's very happy with the results too. Yeah.
Too as well.